We have this kind of an older faucet here. It's been giving us a little trouble, leaky nozzle and spray hose.
Well, this is sort of a Victorian look to this.
Yeah, so it's a little bit older style, and we've been adding more of an industrial look and feel here and there. And so we thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to maybe replace this with something that has
the one that you're talking about?
Yeah, that's
Talking
it right
about
there.
capital I for industrial. Looks like something you'd see in a commercial kitchen for washing dishes.
Yeah, this is a really cool piece. We like it a lot.
Darren, I think this one's going to work.
Fantastic.
All right, to get this faucet, I'm going to start by turning the water off underneath. All right, so turn off the cold. And now the hot. All right, just open that faucet, Darren. Just see that they're holding.
Both hot and cold?
Yep. Nothing?
Nothing.
All right. So now to get the faucet out, those connections are in a really tough place, way up underneath that sink. So it's really hard to loosen these nuts with pliers. There's just no room to swing. So for that, I have a special tool. It's a tool called a Basin Wrench, and that's designed to have these jaws that get up into that tight space and can actually loosen a nut or flip the jar over and you can tighten a nut like that.
Great.
All right, we're going to lefty-loosey. Look at that. Oh, that tool is such a lifesaver. All right, Darren, just grab the faucet, will you? I've got the last nut loosened.
Okay, got it?
Now, when I tell you, just lift it straight up and away.
Okay.
There you go. Take it now. Good. All right, we've got the old faucet removed. It's all cleaned up. And now you can see there's 4 holes here, but we only have a single hole new faucet. So manufacturer provides it with a cover plate that'll cover up 3 of the holes. And they also have a soap dispenser right here, so it'll look like that when we're done. So now, we need to get the faucet connected to the sink, but also have the water connection. So for that, it's a little trickier. Here's the water supply pipes that have to connect into the body of the faucet. But we can't get this down through this small shank, so I have to fish it through from right here, right now. Just lift that valve body up a little bit, would you? Just hold it straight right there. And now I want to connect that thread without crossing the thread or bending. This one. Okay, good. So now I just have to catch this thread right here. Good. Snug that up like that, and now that plate will go right here. Now, once we mount it to the sink, from the underside, I'll bring a rubber washer, a metal gasket, and then this yoke with a couple of screws on it that I'll thread on. And I'll tighten that as much as I can. And at the very end, I'll take a screwdriver and tighten this up, and that'll really compress it against the sink and secure it. All right, so what I'd like you to do is to pass this faucet down through that hole in the sink, and I'll go underneath and make the connection. All right, just hold it in place for me, Darren, okay?
Okay.
You can orient that faucet handle either straight ahead, pointing at you, or to either side.
Okay, great. I think I prefer it to my right.
Okay, cool. Okay, is that still where you want it to be, Darren?
Yes, it looks good.
Great. There's one. Let's go to the other side. All right, water is back on. Give it a try.
Fantastic.
Now try the spray.
All right.
There's a button on the side. You can go to stream, shower.
Yeah, that's
or
amazing.
stream.
That looks great.
You'll be doing dishes forever with that beautiful thing.